How to at EMU, registering for classes. In order to register for classes, start by logging into your my.emich.edu account. Once logged in, find the Student Academic Services tile and select Register for Classes. The next screen will display a list of actions regarding registration. Please select Look Up Classes from the list of registration options. Next, scroll through the subject menu and select one to then view the course offerings in that subject by clicking Course Search in the bottom left corner. After selecting a subject, on the next screen, find the course that you would like to view sections for. For the sake of this instructional video, we will view sections of Math 105. On the next screen, read about the different sections of Math 105. Please pay attention to the various columns that provide information about each course section. When viewing different sections of the course you have selected, several columns will display codes. See the code key at the top of the page to understand details about each course. Several codes will indicate the location of the course, including whether the course is on main campus or if it's online. Other codes will give details about the dates and times for the class, as well as the class capacity, actual enrollment, remaining enrollment, waitlist details, and if the course is cross-listed as something else. When viewing the different sections of the course you have selected, in the far left column titled Select, you will see an open checkbox in the place where it says SR. On your screen, click the box next to the course you'd like to register for. Registering for a natural science course can be a little tricky. If a science course is offered with a lab that is separate, you will need to add both to the worksheet before pressing register. If a science course is a combined lab and lecture, you will need to select both a 4-credit or 5 depending on the natural science course, and a 0 credit. In this situation, the 0 credit is the lab. Once you have registered, you can verify that your class schedule is coherent and that there are no time conflicts by clicking Return to Menu in the top right corner, and then clicking Week at a Glance from the registration menu. It is very important to utilize the Week at a Glance tool to verify your class schedule. Any courses with assigned meeting times/locations will appear on the weekly schedule at their respective times and dates. Meanwhile, courses with no assigned meeting times, for example online asynchronous classes, will appear at the bottom of the screen. If everything looks correct, then congratulations, you have registered for the next semester. If you have additional questions regarding registering for classes, please reach out to an academic advisor in the college that your major is housed within.